Hello! Welcome back to my channel! Can't believe I am making another video. It still feels so weird. Anyway, today's video is going to be a food challenge video, which I'm nervous but excited about. It's going to be eating ice cream for every snack. So ice cream is still one of my ginormous fear foods, like, fear food. So I'm trying to prove to myself that I can eat ice cream a few times in a day and I'm still going to look the same and it's all good. So I'm still going to be eating my normal main meals, but for my snacks, morning tea, afternoon tea and supper, I will be having ice cream. So yeah, let's get into it. Let's start off with breakfast. Breakfast time. The oats are cooking. Waiting for the oats to cook, yeah. Breakfast done. Whoop, whoop. Hello, I know this is a super weird angle, but I'm sitting on the couch, and so it's now 10:30 in the morning. So I've had breakfast and it's now my morning snack time. I've got my lucky spoon. I don't know if you can see, but it's like a frozen spoon. How fancy, and pink, like hello, lucky spoon. And I'm gonna start off, we're gonna try and start off easy. I mean, this is not easy, this is quite overwhelming actually. We've got Halo Top dairy free, and this is the flavor caramel macchiato. So it sounds really nice, but my initial thought is this weird guilt feeling of having to eat the whole entire thing, and that's scary, but I need to eat the whole thing for it to be enough for my snack. So yeah, this is morning snack today and we're gonna do it. Let's go, let's see how we go. Relevant. No bowl, no regrets. Gosh, okay. Okay, so I've just got suddenly overwhelmed from opening it that I'm really gonna be eating the whole thing. It just, fuck, it's the number one, I've already cried. Just the fact that there's like caramel on there. Just eating the whole thing feels a bit, but I know I need to do it because clearly if I'm crying, it's my fear and I need to get over it. And at the end of today, I'm still going to be the same. I need to prove that to myself, so I do need to eat the whole thing. I mean, even when I was in the shops, going to check out and buy it, I was hiding it underneath my cardigan because I didn't want people to see me purchasing ice cream as if it was a bad thing. It's not a bad thing, it's a normal thing. People enjoy ice cream all the time. I shouldn't feel guilty for that. Far out, Brussels sprout. Oh my god. Okay, let's go. Let's just do it. all done. Woo! Morning snack complete. Feeling a little bit shit, but a little bit excited. And yeah, I'll check back in my next meal. Woo! Hello, I am back, and it is about 12:30, so lunchtime. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to have for lunch. I'm going to have a falafel toasted sandwich and yogurt. So yeah. Okay, so lunchtime. I'm feeling a little bit anxious at the moment just because of the ice cream. So my meal plan says that I have to have a snack with my lunch, and I'm a little bit hesitant to cut out my lunchtime snack. But I'm filming, so I'm being held accountable, and I need to be a good girl and stick to my meal plan because food is my medicine. So I'm telling you guys now, so I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna make, I think I said before, I'm gonna make my toasted falafel sandwich and have a yogurt for my snack. Hello! I've just picked up this little child.
G'day.
From school, from a school excursion, and it's now 5 to 4 and it is afternoon tea time, so it's time for more ice cream. Let's go. Let's go dig in. Okay, so I'm sitting down to eat my second lot of ice cream for the day. I've got my sister here with me to give me some moral support, hopefully, because I'm feeling a little bit anxious. But that's okay, because so far my body has not changed at all. I still look exactly the same. And the ice cream tastes really nice, so I just need to sit and enjoy it. What do you think, Kate?
I agree.
Done. Oakley dokely, it is like almost 5:30, so I'm gonna start cooking dinner. Tonight is a vegetable bean hot pot. Okay, the bean hot pot is ready to go in the oven. It's just got beans, spices, like cumin, paprika, turmeric, then it's got in there carrot, pumpkin, what else did I put in there? Mushrooms, onion, and yeah, correct, a sprinkle of love. So we're gonna put that in the oven and that's gonna be dinner. Hello. So the battery on my camera died, so I didn't film myself eating dinner, but not that that really matters. It's about 8:30 now and it's supper time, so this is my third and my last ice cream of the day, and I will bring you guys on for the ride. Yeah. Okay, we are buckled up, we're in the car. We are ready to go and get our ice cream. I'm feeling a little bit anxious, a little bit shitty, but at the same time, it's gonna taste good. And I've got sister here to help me out, so yeah, let's go. Feeling what we're getting. But that's okay. We're doing it. Okay, so I literally feel sick in my stomach right now. We just went into the ice cream place and it took, yeah, like, what, 5 minutes? 5 minutes or so to decide what to have, and I'll get it. So I was tossing up between the 2 scoop banana split or the 3 scoop banana split, and I'm on double snacks at night, so I know that I need to have the 3 scoop banana split, but my eating disorder was so hard telling me to get the 2 scoop. But Kate was the best, and so I got the 3 scoop. I'll show you. It looks pretty. Oops. I got some gelati and the banana, and some chocolate topping, and yeah. So we're gonna go home and eat it and watch some TV now. Hey everybody, so I'm in bed now, going to bed, and I feel like complete shit. I feel horrible. I have the fear that I'm gonna wake up tomorrow and I've just gained a heap of weight, even though my rational brain knows that that can't happen. That's all I can think about, is that I'm gonna wake up and weigh more tomorrow. And that really sucks. I'm just gonna try and go and get some sleep now and wake up tomorrow and have a fresh day. Today's been a super challenge, but I'll check back in tomorrow morning and hopefully I'm feeling a little bit better. Everything today tasted great, but now that I'm going to bed, the thoughts are here and it's really tough, but we'll see how we go. I'll check back in tomorrow, and now I'm going to get a good night's sleep. Hello everybody, it is the next morning, and so I thought I'd sit down and let you know how I'm feeling. Let me just adjust. So this morning I am still feeling quite anxious about yesterday. So the most important thing for me to do was get up this morning and follow my meal plan like 100%. Hello Eddie. Hello. Oh. So that's what I did. I got up and I followed my meal plan 100% so far, and that's what I need to keep doing the rest of the day. No compensating. I'm still feeling a little bit anxious, but I just need to remember that when I woke up this morning, I looked exactly the same as I did yesterday. And what I ate yesterday tasted absolutely delicious. So I'm really happy that I was able to complete the challenge of ice cream for every single snack, with definitely help from my family and everyone. And yeah, I look the same today. I haven't changed. I'm gonna stick to my meal plan, and I guess that's challenge complete. So if you've made it this far in the video, I hope it wasn't too boring. I hope it was somewhat interesting. Thank you so much for watching, and leave me any comments, like questions, concerns, constructive criticism, anything. Leave me comments or ideas for other videos, what you want to see. Yeah, I'm just having a little bit of fun trying to challenge myself, and yeah, it was really cool. So bye.